Hey guys, it's Megan and I'm going to show you how to do a project here on Cricut Design Space. Basically what I'm doing is trying to make a shirt design for my son using several different images and sort of splicing and welding things together as needed. So first I'm going to go, and just for the sake of sizing, I'm going to go get a template for a classic shirt, change it to medium because that's his size. And then I'm going to go down here. I've already saved the images I want. As you can see, kind of some trial and error here. This one didn't quite work out the way I want. I do believe, let me see, how do I want to do this? Okay, I want this. I want this bottom paired with this top and take out the Demogorgon here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, insert image, go back, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other half I want. Alright, now it might be a little hard to see. I'm going to make this a bit bigger, and actually if you go down here it's a faint 25%. If you highlight it, it gets bigger. Go up 75% is pretty good for me. And now what I'm going to do is click on this. Over here it says Ungroup. So we are ungrouping, and that means now every little thing is separate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Demogorgon and I'm going to take the line it's standing on and just, delete it. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to go back through. Actually, I'll just do that. That's easier. Just highlight that all, regroup it back together so that way everything moves as one cluster instead of all these individual pieces. And now I need my second group, Stranger Things 2. Alright, ungroup again. We're gonna select the kids on the bike because we don't need that part, and then we've got this little dash here that's left over. I don't know what that's from. But alright, and we really don't need to regroup these back right now. I'll show you why, because I'm just gonna move them over one by one. Get him. I know there was a line here. I could fight with it and try to make it stay there, but I don't really care about it. I think it looks just as well like this. And we're going to do this. We're going to do that. And now, if you'll notice, I might want to make it bigger or smaller. And now I've got these two characters that are not moving with it. So, again, you just select everything together. Just hold down the mouse and do that. Click Group over here on the right. And now I've got one image. I can make it whatever size I want. I'm going to back out a little bit. Well, actually, I was doing this for a while where I was getting it in the edges there so it would all come out exactly how I wanted. But if that's all you want, if all you want is the silhouette, you just click Make It. And, that's not how I want to do it. I don't want it all to be 1,000 different pieces. So let's try again. Alright, and really it's not too hard to do this, but I am going to say I want to do this kind of a different way. So I'm going to ungroup everything. And then, no, I don't want to move this. I want to move this over here. Here we go. Then I want to find the boys riding on the bike, which is down here. You can click the visible, not visible to make sure you have the right thing. Alright, I want that to be separate for reasons I'll tell you in a second. And then, come on. What? There you go. No. No. Okay, hold on. I see what I've done. I didn't ungroup everything. Okay. Have to ungroup twice here because the boy and the Demogorgon are separate. Okay, now I can grab the boys on this. I'm going to take them over to the side for a second just so I have easier time going down here and clicking Weld. Alright, you see that? Weld. Now it's all one image, can't be taken apart. Now I'll go through and you can regroup it if you want to. You don't have to. But when you click Make It, you'll see it's still going to take the boys off the bike. I did this on purpose. Let me go back one more time and explain it. I want the... no. I grouped it again. Sorry. I will make sense eventually. Okay, I wanted these guys to be separate because I want them in white, and I want the Stranger Things and the Demogorgon with Will in red. So what I'm actually going to do is make this invisible for a minute, click Make It, and then I know that I need about 7.5 inches of the red. I'm going to load it, I'm going to do it, then I'm going to go back. I'm going to take that off and put the kids on. And then I'm going to go back and I see I need almost exactly 3 inches of the white to make it come out the way I want it to. So that will save me a lot of hassle, I think. But if you just want to make it one color, everything visible, get the kids lined up where you want it, then you're going to group it all as one item by dragging your mouse over everything, click weld, and now it's one image. You can't ungroup it, you can't do anything to it, it's just like that. So if you want to put like a red shirt and do this in black or whatever, it'll all pop just fine. So that's, I guess, my quick and easy-ish tutorial for how to get multiple images together as one thing and group it and get it to print the way you want. I hope that's made sense. Let me know in the comments and let me know if there's other Cricut or Design Space stuff you want to see. I've got my new Cricut Maker and I am eager to keep doing projects. So thanks for watching. Bye!